Hello students, today we are going to geometrically represent an identity. You are familiar with this identity? Okay, we will expand this identity. You know this? I am going to verify it, or we can say geometrically represent this identity. What is the geometrical representation of this identity? You all are familiar with the concept of area, okay? So can you tell me what is the area of this square? This is A unit, this is A unit. So area of this square will be what? A times A. That is, A times A is what? A square. It means this orange, this paper sheet is how much? A square. Whatever unit it will be. Okay. We are going to represent it geometrically. This will be A square. Region this. Now we take this. This is also a square and its area is B times B. This is a square, length is B, breadth is B. You know that area is B times B. So B times B, that is B square. तो दिस ये कितनी जगह ले रहा है? A स्क्वायर. ये कितनी जगह ले रहा है इस पेपर पर? B स्क्वायर. भी जैसे हमने सपोज वी फिल दिस स्क्वायर, we put this, place this square here, and I ask you how much paper is remaining except this. So how can you find? Area of this sheet minus area of this square. Okay, now we have placed it here, this square here. Okay, now we are having two rectangles of dimension A and B. Okay, this is A, this is B. So what will be its area? You know ना, area of rectangle is length into breadth, या दोनों dimension को multiply कर दीजिए. तो area of this pink rectangular sheet is A into B, और what we write it as conventionally multiply हटा के लिख सकते हैं. We can write it as AB. Okay. You know all this na, A multiplied by B can be written as AB. Here also, this is also identical rectangle, same. So its area is AB. Now this pink sheet is how much? AB. This is also AB. This is A square. This is B square. Now we are going to form a rectangle square by these four pieces. Okay. Okay. So we keep it here, this here, and this here. How can we write? We can take this and another rectangle here. Okay, now you just place it adjacent, close. Okay, now see, length from here to here it is A, and from here to here it is B. Okay, if suppose this is 5 and this is 2, how much this will be? 5 plus 2, 7. तो in algebra we deal with what? Alphabets भी आ जाते हैं. तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक it will be A plus B. तो length, this measurement of this line segment here to here, it will be A plus B. Now come to this side. This side also, this is what? A, and this is B. तो it will be what? A, this is B. जैसे ये 10 है, ये 2 है, तो it will be 10 plus 2, 12. तो here it is A and B, तो A plus B. तो length, this length is A plus B. This is also A plus B. So this figure will be a square of side A plus B. जैसे ये 10 है, this is 2, तो 12, 10, 2, 12. तो 12 by 12 है ना, उसका एक क्या हो जाएगा ये? स्क्वायर. तो इट्स अब इफ सपोज इस इट्स 12, तो 12 by 12, 12 into 12 it will be its area, or we can say 12 square, you know na, 12 multiplied by 12. Here it is a plus b and a plus b, so what will be the area of this square, big square? Very good. Area of the square, this big square in which these 4 pieces are placed. Okay, so this whole area of this square is equal to what? उस स्क्वायर ने जितना एरिया लिया है वो ये 4 पीसेस के एरिया के बराबर है. तो स्क्वायर का एरिया, स्क्वायर की साइड कितनी है? a प्लस बी. तो a प्लस बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय a प्लस बी. यू नो दिस इज रिटन एज a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर. ओके, ये इस बड़े वाले स्क्वायर का जिसके अंदर ये फिट हो गया है, या चारों पीसेस मिलकर जो फिगर फॉर्म कर रहे हैं उसका एरिया हो गया. अब ये बड़े वाले स्क्वायर का एरिया 4 पीसेस के एरिया के बराबर है. किस किस के? इस स्क्वायर का, इस रेक्टेंगल और ये छोटा वाला स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज दिस? ए स्क्वायर, AB, 1AB and 1AB. How many AB? 2AB plus B square. So you can see A plus B whole square is A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is geometrical representation. A plus B whole square is what? Area of this big square. And we have placed, they has exactly fixed, है ना तो इन्होंने ज़्यादा जगह ली, ओवरलैपिंग भी नहीं हो रही है इनकी, और ना तो ये ओवरलैपिंग हो रही है चारों पीसेस की, और ना ही क्या हो रहा है, ये बीच में जगह छोड़ रहे हैं. इसका मतलब ये चारों पीसेस का जब हम एरिया मिलाएंगे तो इस स्क्वायर के एरिया के बराबर आना चाहिए. तो ये 4 पीसेस थे, ये दोनों लाइक टर्म्स थे, इसको कंबाइन कर दिया हमने. तो ये दिस इज़ द वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट आइडेंटिटी. ओके, a प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर.